Hey everyone, this is Niyanka Shrivastava from PyNet Lab. Today I'm going to show you how you can install VMware on your Linux machine. So first of all, you have to write VMware to get to the page you to install virtual machine. So in virtual machines we have to just run some operating system, so we can learn how to hack it. We can create our own environment in Linux. In Windows it's a more simpler step like a setup wizard. You have to just click next, but in Linux you have to just write some commands, and there's some file you have to install which is showing error by installation in the Linux machine. So over here we have to just click over here on Workstation 16 Pro for Linux. Just download now. After clicking it will start downloading. I have already downloaded the setup over here. Now I've created a file, and after creating a file I have just paste the setup over here. Now open terminal over here, just like how I did it right now. Go with sudo su, enter your password. Now what you have to do is /, then the name of the software, that is VMware Workstation.
If you enjoyed the content of the video, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.
Now press enter. Okay, that's what I'm showing. Now what you have to do is you have to change the basically simple thing, which is the permission of the setup. So for changing it you have to type change it, right? So you have to change the permission with chmod plus x. Now what x is to it, it is just like to add permission. X is for executable, so plus x dot slash x to VMware. Okay, so permission has been changed. Let's try to run this. Okay, now it is running right now. Let's see. Now let's wait for the installation to be completed. Okay, the installation has been completed successfully. Okay, so the installation has been completed successfully, as you can see over here. Let's search for VMware. So here's the virtual machine pair. Let's open the virtual machine workstation. So it is showing Kali headers, right? So okay, so if you see this error, just simple this error, so just to do this, let's try to install. Okay, it's still showing the error. To fix this error you have to just write over here, if you are in the sudo mode, right? So apt-get install linux -header $sign uname -r. Let's try. Okay, we cannot find the package updated, so let's update it. So let's update distro. Yes. After this we'll install the Linux header file. So that is how we have to do it. Let's wait to get it completed. After installing our distros, let's update our Kali Linux with sudo apt-get update and upgrade. So it will take time again. Okay, so let's reboot the system. So we have restarted our system. Let's go with sudo mode and update our distro again with the header file. So last time what we have done, we have to do it again. This command. So let's install it. Okay, it had been installed. Let's run our VMware workstation. So okay, let's install it, enter the password, compiling and installing following kernel modules. Okay, just showing that error is, let's see the error. Okay, so it is showing unable to install all module. See the log for details. This is the problem we'll find every time when installing the VMware module. So let's fix it. So let's start with the fix. So to fix it, we have to first of all go with the directory. Let's select the directory of the VMware. After selecting directory, we have to clone the host module. So here's the host module. Then go with the cd VMware host module. Then get. Then you have to go with the make. So this will install it. Okay. So this two modules are required to be installed. Now to install this, let's go with the file. All the commands you can find at community of the VMware. Okay, so it has been done. Let's check the VMware. Now it is running. Let's install it. Accept it. No, I don't want it to start a startup. Join the VMware customer experience program. No, I don't want to join it. So in the course I will show you how you can get this for the unlimited period. For now, for the trial period I will show you how you can get this for 30 days. But if you take the course, I will share the resources how you can get it for almost unlimited days for like as a pro version. So this is how you have to install the Workstation 16 Pro of your virtual machine VMware. I know it is pretty lengthy method, but you have to follow this for the Kali Linux. Thank you for watching the video how to install VMware. See you on the codes.